Struggling with coding speed in Intellij? What if you had an AI assistant that writes your code for you? This is how you use Codeium inside Intellij to boost your productivity and focus on logic, not syntax. First, make sure you're running Intellij version 2022.3 or later. Head over to Settings and then Plugins and search for Codeium. Once installed, log in with GitHub or your email. Now here's where it gets cool. As you type, Codeium predicts what you're trying to build. Declare a function and it'll complete the logic. Start a comment and it'll generate the corresponding code. Think Copilot but lightning fast and free. You can toggle suggestions with tab, accept partial completions, or use custom prompts inside comments to generate code from scratch. Example, type // build a REST API route and it'll do just that. Codeium supports over 70 languages and even detects your coding style over time. It's great for solo projects, rapid prototyping, and debugging too. If you want blazing fast AI code assistance built directly into your favorite IDE, Codeium in Intellij is absolutely worth trying. It's non-intrusive, fast, and totally free. This is how to literally. Please like and subscribe for more videos and tips.